At kasama naman po natin ngayon si Miss Esme Gayo Maclaren. Hi, Miss Esme.
Hello. Thank you for coming to talk to us.
Of course, kumusta
Okay.
po kayo?
Mabuti naman.
Matagal na po ba ninyong ginagawa itong pagtitipon, art exhibit?
Matagal na rin. The first installation of it was 2015, sa 2015. It's a brainchild of the Filipino Music and Art Foundation in BC, si Lenore and Didi Lim. Si Lenore, she has her prints here. And by the way, she has her work also in the National Museum in the Philippines. Yes.
Napakaganda po ng title, Maala-ala Mo Kaya. Translated to Will You Remember. Ano pong inspirasyon niyo para gawing ang inyong artwork?
I have been very concerned with memory. So ang fishing net ang representative ng memory ko. Na marami ng gaps and holes ang fishing net, just like my memory. To mend the memory are my pictures from the Philippines from our visit.
So ito yung parang nagpapaalala sa inyo ng mga nakaraan? Kaya po ba, will you remember?
Oo, para hindi makakalimutan. Very important ang memory sa atin as we go forward. I think it's important to see what was behind us as well.
Yes, kasi kwento ng buhay po natin yun.
Kwento
Kaya
ng
maganda
buhay, oo. Istorya natin yun. Kailangang maikwento sa mga bata, sa mga anak, sa mga apo.
Yun ang kasaysayan. At marami pang artwork dito sa pagtitipon si Ate Esme. Sasamahan niya tayo para ipakita naman niya sa atin ang iba pa niyang mga obra. At narito pa ang iba pang obra ni Miss Esme Gayo Maclaren. Tell us more about your paintings po.
These are from the surrounding areas of our place in Agola Union, Philippines. Ayaw kong makalimutan yung mga farms, yung orchid plants ng mother ko, yung mga bulaklak, because I love gardening and I love to see all of the people doing this kind of work. It's nostalgic, and it was very important in our society. It still is very important in our society. So those little pieces of artwork on the net, pretend that we've enlarged them and put them on the wall. So that's what we have here now. Just some of the things to remember back home.
So bago po kayo magpinta, ano po yung ginagawa niyo para maghanda? Meron po ba kayong mga ginagawa, like nagre-relax, nag-yoga ba kayo, nag-meditate muna ba kayo bago kayo mag-paint? Or talagang pag-gising niyo sa umaga, okay, magpipaint ako ngayon?
I turn on the music.
Okay, so it's music
Yeah,
that you're inspired.
yes. I get into the zone much quicker when I have the music going. And it's different styles of music. It isn't just one thing. I go from operatic to musicals to rock and roll.
It depends on the mood.
Depends on the mood or what I'm trying to paint, or if I need more energy. Ganon,
Nice. Napakaganda po ng inyong mga painting. Ate Esme, thank you so much.
Maraming
At
salamat.
binigyan niyo kami ng pagkakataon na kayo ay aming makasama dito sa Kini Plug-in at makilala kayo at makita kung gaano katalento ang mga Pilipino.
Thank you very much. Thank you for your time.